Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 11, three-dimensional coordinate geometry part 2. That means you have already got part 1. This is the second. Please pay your attention on the board. Today on section formula, that is internally divide. Section formula, that means a segment of a straight line is divided internally in a given ratio, that is m:n. When ratio will be given, then we have to find out the coordinates by applying this formula, that is x equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, y equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, and z equal to mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. When ratio m:n is given, when ratio is not given, ratio is required, then this formula x equal to kx2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1, y equal to k y2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1, and z equal to kz2 plus z1 divided by k plus 1. This is the formula you have to remember. On this the sum is given. Example, find the ratio in which the line joining the points this and this is divided by xy plane, and also find the coordinates of the point of division. Here two things are required: first ratio, then coordinates of the point. First we have to find out the ratio. This is why we have to apply this formula. So let the line segment joining the points this and this be divided by xy plane in the ratio k:1. Because ratio is required. At the point P, then the coordinates of the P, this. Coordinates of the P are this. By applying this formula, we are getting this. Then we have to put the values of x, y and z. After putting, we are getting this. Now, since we lies on xy plane, that is z equal to 0. That means this equal to 0. Minus k minus 5k plus 3 divided by k plus 1 equal to 0. By simplifying, we are getting the value of k 3 by 5. Therefore, the required ratio is k:1 equal to 3 by 5:1. By simplifying, we are getting 3:5. This is the answer. I think it is clear. Next part of the same sum. Now the coordinates of the point of division P are. This is the coordinate. From formula we are getting this. After writing the formula, then we have to put the values of k in this frame of formula. After putting the values, we have to simplify in this way. By simplifying, finally we are getting half 11 by 4 and 0. This is the coordinates of the point, required point. The sum is completed. Now, 3 MCQ are given. The statement of the MCQ and the options are given here clearly. You have to follow the statement and the option attentively. Then you have to write the correct answer at correct places. Now the answer of this is not given here. Answer of the previous, that is part 1, is given here clearly in green ink. You must check your answer whether your answer is matching with this answer or not. Okay. Thank you everybody.